Right. Now, this is a video you may not see. Although, if you're viewing this now, you're obviously seeing it. This is one of the many bumper brackets that were refurbished, but then fucked up. So, decided I'll do them again. But I looked at these scars, and these scars are caused by me, nobody else, because the bolts that were on there would not give up. So I had to grind them off, and obviously I wasn't as accurate as I would like. So I ended up putting these large grooves in here. Now, I could just leave it and ignore it, but that's not the way I function. So my next task now is to weld in here. Weld, 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 weld. And then flat it off. Let's see how that goes. I'll take you through the process and, well, we'll see how it goes. This is the Jaguar Mark II front bumper bracket. Okay, so next thing, clean it up, ready for welding, and also making sure you've got a good place to do a ground. Yes, ground. Don't do like I just did, which was stupid. I forgot to put my eye protection on. I got a bit of shit in my eye, so I'll deal with that now, and then we'll continue to weld this baby back to decentness. There's a new word. Alright, before I start this video, this is the first time I've done welding with a camera. So if it doesn't work, tough shit. I'm trying to fill where some idiot, me, ground out too much metal, trying to cut this bolt off. It's going to take a lot of blobby type welding. Let's see how it goes, and good or bad, you'll see it. Setting on my welder at the moment is a 30 speed and a 4 for penetration, as in voltage. I think on this bracket I need that penetration. Too bad for an idiot. Let's try the next piece. There's lots of metal there. Just do a little bit more up there. Alright, now, excuse me a second. I'm going to let that cool down, and then I will grind it and see what a mess I've made. I'm not quite sure if you can see that, so hang on a second. Let me just turn device. So you can see I've filled in there and filled in there. I want to let that cool right down before I even attempt to flat it. Excuse me. I think I will probably try and bring it down with a flat wheel in my grinder rather than using a grinding disc. We'll see how it goes. I'll show you. But from my point of view, that's going to be an hour or two. From your point of view, it's the next clip. Do note, I am no fucking welder. No way am I a welder. I do my best, and I must admit, though it doesn't look pretty, I think it looks pretty good and penetration-wise. All right, let's get the grinder on it and see how the fuck it looks. All right, time has passed. Got my flat wheel. I'm going to use an 80 grit and a face protector. Let's see how close I can get it to looking half decent. Trouble is, it's going to shoot sparks everywhere. Oh, and while I'm shooting sparks everywhere, I'm going to use my expression. I do beg your pardon. I'm going to use an expression from Church House Classics. Once I've finished this, I'm going to be on fire watch. I'm in my garage, which is attached to my house as it happens, and you need to make sure there ain't nothing smouldering somewhere. Takes a little while, takes a bit of thought, but you can sit down and have a beer while you do it. Well, what do you think? Okay, got a couple of little holes there I need to weld up and grind off. I'm no professional. Okay, I've got one hole there, maybe one hole there, and then I'll just file that little lump off there. That might just come down. I can't touch it. It's so hard. Oh, so very hard. So let me just do those two, clean them up, and then I'll be back to you. All right, here we are. Re-welded the holes, ground it down, got rid of the little lump there. I think that looks pretty good. Yes, I could deal with that little bit there, but I'm sorry, there are limits to what I'm going to go to. It's a bumper bracket, you're never going to fucking see it. So my next phase of operation on this is to put it in the blasting cabinet, blast the shit out of it, and powder coat it. So next you will see it blasted and then powder coated. Well, here we are. It is now in primer. This is its first coat. It's been blocked once. It's going to be reprimed and blocked again. That's nice, they're protecting the inside. I told them they didn't have to worry about that, but they've done it, so I'm not going to argue with that. I wonder if there should be a piece there. On the lip, there should be a piece there, I think. Yeah. Alright, so I'll have to get him to do that. Looking good. Even when I'm videoing somewhere else, my damn phone rings and it's potential spam. Actually, I'd prefer a cheesesteak. Yeah, there is. There's a piece there. So that needs to be on the other side as well. Oh, this is looking great. This is looking really good. There's the bonnet already. And there's the old door in case he needed it. If he doesn't, then I don't know if I'll take it away or not. We'll see. And over here is the boot lid. Looking good. All the holes are still there that are needed. And over here we have the doors. No, not the band. All blocked down and ready. And the drain holes. Sweet. Look at that.